Markla represent. Yeah, the same one. Money we are pre for the hero. Money me are pre to your sharer. Money.
Yo, this is your boy JoeBlack. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Cooking with JoeBlack, and
special guest Kelly.
If this is your first time on our channel, I just want to say thank you for clicking this link in the first place.
Yeah.
While
and
you're here.
the notification bell.
Yes, as Kali said, remember to click that notification bell, like,
comment, and share.
and subscribe. Yeah. For everybody that has been coming back, I just want to say thank you guys for coming back, and we really appreciate the support. Yeah.
We love you.
Yeah, we love you a lot. So in today's video, we're just gonna be making a simple green season recipe. Yeah. So we're not gonna take too long. Yeah, I just decided to give you guys a midweek video. Alright? So without further ado,
Talk to them.
we'll soon come back. Okay, so what you wanna say?
And my lips are purple. And I love you, everybody. And spend money.
Yeah guys, so we soon come back. Welcome back guys. Welcome back. So we're gonna do today, we're gonna just whip up a quick batch of green season. My green season finish, so just whip up a quick batch. And yeah, here me have all the ingredients I'm gonna use in my green season. So I have some fresh parsley, some coriander, some bell pepper. I have a whole green bell pepper, and I have just a quarter red and yellow. Right? I have Scotch bonnet pepper. And for Scotch bonnet pepper, you can use any amount of pepper you want to use. Depends on how spicy you want it to be. So you can use as much pepper as you wish, right? And yeah, when I say spicy, I mean hot, because some people will try to tell me, yeah, it's hot and not spicy. Yeah, so if you want it, depends on how hot you want your green season. That's the amount of Scotch bonnet pepper you use, all right? So yeah, I have a whole head of garlic. Right, and I have a lime, and I peel it. You can use your lime juice. You can squeeze it, or you can get the one in the bottle and you use that one. But I just peel it because I'm gonna blend everything together, right? And I have some thyme, some spring onion, or green onion, as a lot of people call it. In Jamaica we call it scallion. I have a large white onion, right? So that's what we're gonna be using. Yeah, and I have gloves on today. I sliced my finger, so I have to be wearing gloves, right? And I have some vinegar that I'm gonna put a splash of vinegar in, as well as some olive oil, all right? So for your green season, right, these are my ingredients that I am using, right? Green season is just a mixture, a blended mixture of herbs, right? Herbs and spices, yeah. So yeah, you can use whatever you feel like using. If you want to put spinach in it or whatever, it's really up to you. Cause if you check different Caribbean countries use different things in the green season. There's a wide variety of things that you can use in your green season, right? So you can check it out and you put whatever you feel like using in it, right? So let's just scramble these to the side. Scramble them. Get my blender right there. Alright. So this feels kind of tight, so on that, you can swim it, right? So I'm just gonna cut the onion roughly. Just like maybe not 4. Maybe cut to 2 more. So I cut them that size. Slice my lime. Drop everything. Garlic. The pepper, that's what I take off the stem. Drop it in the wall. Scallion. That's a lot, that's Thyme in it. For the scallion, I'm just gonna roughly chop them. And guys, remember, if you're new to my channel, remember to like, comment, subscribe, alright? And tell a friend to tell a friend. Cooking with JoeBlack is happening, and while you're here, remember to turn on your post notification so you can know whenever I'm posting a new video and know what works. Yeah. And I just want to thank everyone for all my subscribers that have been coming back. I just want to thank you guys for the continued support. Thanks for the love. And I really appreciate you guys. Alright? Yeah. So for now, I'm gonna leave that as is for now, right? Get some oil in. And I'm using olive oil. Using olive oil, but you can use whatever oil you feel like using. Alright? Before I'm gonna add some vinegar to it. And yeah. This side. Alright, so now we're gonna blend this. Alright, so that's where I stopped that, and I thought this just to add the remainder of seasoning. So we're just gonna add all of this. And guys, for your green seasoning, you can add this to anything, to be honest. You can add it to your meat when you season up your meat. If you're cooking rice, if you're making soup, you can add your green season to any dish that you're making, right? And that's the reason I don't put a lot of pepper in my one, because I want to add it to everything. And the thing about it, I don't want everything that I'm heating to be extra spicy. I don't love that much pepper. And plus I have to think about curry as well. Yeah, so I always use curry as an excuse when it comes to pepper. So let's go again. So guys, that's our seasoning all blended. Now just dry this off a bit. Alright. Cause we're not too itch, right? So now we're gonna pour this out in our little container. So guys, there we have it. There we have it, our green seasoning. And look at it, it just look marvelous, isn't it? Look rich and nice. Yeah, and you can't lose off all them natural seasoning, innit? Them flavors. And as I mentioned in the video earlier, you can put this on anything you wish. Put it in your fish, your chicken, any meat you're doing. Put your green seasoning in it. Your rice, you can flick some in your rice as well. Your rice and peas or your plain rice. Anything you're doing. Your vegetables, anything you're doing, you can put some green seasoning in it. And it makes a whole world of a difference. Yeah? And yeah. And for the storage, you can store this. You can store this in your fridge. Well, it should be stored in your fridge so it doesn't go off, right? So if you make a lot where you're not gonna be using it or like often like that, and you just put it in your freezer, and you can store this in your freezer for up to 4 months, but 3 to 4 months, and you're still good to go, right? Still good to go. Yeah. So I just want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you for your time and your patience. Right, I really hope that you guys enjoy this video, and yeah, I can't express my gratitude enough. Like you guys have been tremendous, and just continue supporting, and I hope to continue giving you good content. And we're just gonna sit back and put in the work and watch your family grow in it. Yeah, so as I say, thanks to everybody. Thanks for the love, thanks for the support. If you're new to my channel, I just want to say welcome. And before you go, remember to like, comment, share, turn your post notification on, and subscribe. Yeah, remember to subscribe, it's important. And yeah, help us grow. I love you guys. Walk good.